Welcome back. I have another one here for you guys. This crypto winter that we're in right now, there's a lot of bold statements that are happening out there. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys feel about this? It's very interesting here. So this is from Bloomberg. It says this crypto winter will be long, cold, and harsh. In previous bear markets, people wondered if digital currencies would rebound. Now they wonder if even the blockchain will survive. Crazy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And let me know what you guys think about this thing. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies assets are notoriously volatile. It could drop about 50% or more. This doesn't seem to bother the diehard believers in crypto too much because they know it's going to bounce back up, which we've seen it done multiple times. Multiple times. So simply use the declines to buy more. That's what a lot of us are doing. We're just like, cool, it's down. Buy a lot more if we can. Even so, there are still a lot of people in the space who remember crypto winter, the period between early 2018 and mid 2020 when prices went down and stayed down. So the question is, what do we make of the recent space here? So Bloomberg's down saying 60% from its peak in early November. Does this mark the beginning of a new long winter after a short spring, or is it just a pause that refreshes? Very interesting. So although the sell-off in crypto may not be as big as others in its history, it feels worse because the market has grown so big to the trillions of dollars in size. The damage in crypto has been broad, with hundreds of coins being plunged by 90%. Bitcoin, the biggest and most well-known of the cryptocurrencies, hasn't done as bad, but is still down a painful 56% from the peak. Now, here is a map, and if some of you guys notice, in 2017, it went bad, really bad, and it started to come back up in 2018, and then 2019. It's just been a roller coaster, and it's been slowly coming up. Of course, the whole thing with the pandemic, when it started back in 2020, we had this weird craze where it started to slowly come back up, and then it boomed out of nowhere. So a lot of stuff's been happening on. We went in this bull run, and especially last year, we went on a crazy bull run. We saw CryptoPunk avatars, we've seen NFTs, we've seen a lot of things coming up and down. If everybody was able to predict of when this thing was going to bounce back up, we'd all be millionaires. But you can't predict the stock market, and you cannot predict what crypto is doing. So just looking at this as just based on at the top of the bull market last year, there's a lot of hubris, laser eyes, CryptoPunk avatars, rude behaviors to go along with over-the-top Bitcoin conferences. All of it was a sign of tough times to come, which is crazy because that bull run was huge. But everybody said, well, must come up, must come down. And when it does come down, it could definitely skyrocket again. We just don't know when. So untold numbers of crypto skeptics ended up at the bottom of a Twitter dog pile for suggesting a bull market had bubble-like characteristics. A speaker at a recent conference hosted was a former Ethereum miner. He talked about crypto winter in the midst of the carnage. He bet pretty much every dollar he had the crypto would rebound, buying more and more GPUs to mine Ethereum when prices rose. They eventually did, but tellingly, he is no longer in the Ethereum mining business, repurposing his equipment into cloud storage. Most people would agree the blockchain technology underpinning cryptocurrencies has huge potential, though we don't really know what it will look like 10 years from now. The ventures capitalists believe it, and they've been making numerous Web3 decentralized internet investments with receiving tokens in return. We're talking a lot of stuff that's happening. So in previous crypto bear markets, people wondered if Bitcoin would rebound. Now they wonder out loud about the future of blockchain in general. There should be no question about the unlimited potential of this technology. If you own a basket of crypto today, like I do, or like they do, it will probably be much more in the future. But how much more is the question that nobody can answer. Crypto will have another winter, but out of the neglect will grow another bull market led by a handful of cryptocurrencies that will grow far beyond what it exists today. And of course, there's, people just continue to talk about what could happen. They're saying one of the biggest thing is people say we could see Bitcoin going up to like 100,000, 500,000 just of what it's doing. It could definitely go up that high. There's a lot of people that are very new to this and they're scared of what's happening. So of course they're going to sell off, and it's going to be more people selling than buying. So it's going to come down and it's going to continue going like this. I'm afraid that this crypto winter is going to keep going down even further. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. A lot of people have been talking about it. I know I've been talking about it within the last couple of videos that, hey guys, this could be a little bit worse than what we're actually seeing. And I've talked about Ethereum, I've talked about Bitcoin, and I don't think we're out of this yet. I don't think we're going to have stability just yet. We might not even see stability until maybe the end of the summer. Who knows? Again, nobody has a crystal ball in their room that says when it could happen, or again, we'd all be millionaires. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Want to give you guys this thing, wanted to give you guys some of this information. It's crazy what's happening. But invest, and if you do, just do your research before you put your money in there. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys appreciate this video. I'm in Bitcoin. I've been playing the market. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and I've been trying to see what it's doing my research on what's happening. But yeah, just when you do these investments, just do your research before you do it. So with all that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. You guys take care of each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one.